Having no sound, crackling audio, or microphone problems on Windows. An outdated or faulty audio driver could be responsible. In this guide, I'll show you how to update your audio driver using Device Manager. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results. Once it opens, look for Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and expand the category. Look for your speakers, sound card, or audio chipset. You may see names from your computer or audio hardware manufacturer. Right-click the audio device you want to update and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for a compatible driver and install it if one is available. Follow any instructions Windows displays. If Device Manager says the best driver is already installed, check Windows Update. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and choose Check for updates. Also check Optional Updates for available driver updates. If you still have audio problems, visit your computer or audio hardware manufacturer's official website. Search for your exact model, download the correct audio driver, and install it according to the manufacturer's instructions. After installing the driver, return to Device Manager and open the audio device's properties. Select the Driver tab to check the provider, date, and version. On the General tab, confirm that device status shows the device is working properly. Restart your PC if necessary, then test your speakers, headphones, or microphone. If the problem started after an update, you can also use Rollback Driver when that option is available. That can quickly undo a problematic update. And that's how to update an audio driver in Device Manager. Start with the automatic search, check Windows Update, and use the official driver when needed. So test your sound after each change to make sure everything is working normally.